Hello viewers, welcome to AudioViz 360. Today I have this Infinity by Harman, model is Spin 100. So the problem here is no battery backup and it is completely dead. The earbuds is not turning on. The case is working but the earbuds is completely dead. So we have to replace the battery of these two earbuds. So let's see whether these earbuds come back to life or not. Alright, now without wasting any time, I will show you the case of the buds here. So this is the charging case. So the case is working perfectly. So if I put this here, there is a red light which should come here. You can see there is no red light, it is completely dead. We have to tear this down and let's see whether the voltage of the battery is good or not. If the battery voltage is not good, then we have to replace the battery here. So alright, we have to take apart from this point. Coming closer here, you can see there is a joint here, very thin line joint is here. So we have to take that out. That is pasted using glue. So if you apply little bit of heat before taking this apart, it will be easy for you to tear this down. So I have teared this down already for the left speaker, you can see here. So now I am going to show you how to take this apart here as well, this one. So I am going to apply little bit of heat here, not more. Use your hair dryer if you have. So I have used the hair dryer to melt down the glue here. So it will be easy for you to take this out. You can see just simply it comes out without any damage. You can see here there is no damage. It comes out because of the weak glue here. So the heat will melt the glue here. That is the reason it comes out very easily. So let's take out this battery here. So I'm not going to take out the battery from this because this is already there. So I'm going to check the voltage of this battery. If the battery is not good, then we have to replace the battery. I think the battery is completely dead here because I can see the leak of acid here. You can see this point. The terminal is completely gone, full of acid here. So we have to replace the battery. I think there will be no voltage in this as well. So I have set the meter to 20 volt DC here. So this is the terminals. So I am going to check the voltage of this battery. You can see it is 0.52, which is nothing but completely dead. It should be of at least 3.7 volts. Then we can consider the battery, but the voltage is almost negligible, 0.52 something is there. So I am going to replace the battery. So I am going to use this battery here. You can see this is very good battery. This is also lithium ion polymer battery, and this is also lithium ion polymer battery. So let's check the voltage of this battery here as well. This is the new battery. You can see the voltage is 3.99. so this is the actual good battery's voltage. It should be of this much. This is not charged at all. This is first time I am testing directly. So the voltage is very good. Now I am going to take out the two wires of the old battery and I am going to install in this battery here. So alright, let's take out the battery here. Let's take out the terminals cables here. So alright, this is the old battery which I am going to not use here. So the left one is positive and this one is negative. So I am going to connect the red one to positive here. If you interchange the terminal, then you may end up burning the motherboard of these earbuds. So before soldering the wires, make sure that you are going to install in the proper terminals of the battery. Red will go to plus and this black will go to minus here. So done, installation of the battery is done. Now I think this should turn on. Before that I am going to insulate this. Now I am going to use this old tape only which was used for the previous battery. So done, this will be helpful to place the battery and this glue will hold inside this housing. So it is placed now. I'm not going to apply the glue and paste here because I wanted to test this. So let me put this back to the case. I think it is turned on already. You can see here the light is glowing. Red and blue is glowing, blinking. So that means the battery is working and the earbud is started working. Alright, now we have to replace the battery of the other side. I will replace the battery and come here immediately. I have replaced the battery of the other side here as well, and I have placed it. Just going to simply not going to paste this. I wanted to test the earphone before pasting the earbud. So you can see the red light is glowing. Maybe difficult to see. So you can see the red light is glowing, that means the earbud is charging. I am going to show you the working functionality. The light is glowing, you might be seen or not seen, I am not sure. So let's take out the earbud here. So it is not pasted yet. So I have taken the both earbuds out. I am going to keep this case separately. So I am now turning on the Bluetooth here. So you can see immediately after that Infinity Spin 100 has come. So I am just clicking that. So it is asking for the access to your contacts and call history. I am just checking the box and clicking the pair button here. So it will pair now, as you can see, and the battery percentage is 100 here. So alright, now let me play a song. Please put on the earphones or headphones which you have, so that you can listen the audio quality properly. I will show you the both buds which is working now. So I am going to play the song. So let me show this side first. This is the right side one. So alright, this is one side. Now I am going to show you this side. So alright, now it's time to paste this back here. In this case, I am going to use this glue here, T7000, before closing the cover here. So I am going to apply the glue here. I am going to show you for the one side here. The remaining side, the other side, I will fix it and I will show it. Alright. So the glue is applied now. You have to install this carefully because it will sit in one direction only. Like this. So it is placed in the position. Let me clean this. So done, I have cleaned this. You can see there is no mark at all, but this is opened and replaced the battery, and I have fixed this. So this looks like which is not opened at all. So alright, now let me fix this here as well and I will come back. So alright, you can see this is also closed. It is fixed. There is not even a single mark of tearing this down. I have replaced the battery and closed it. So it is back to life. It's charging. There is only one point in the case. So later I will charge it. The earbuds is working completely. Infinity by Harman, model is Spin 100. Alright, I hope you like the video. If you like the video, please do like, share, subscribe to AudioWiz360 and hit that notification bell icon and write comment in the comment section below. If you subscribe, it will motivate me to make more of like these videos. Thanks for watching. Bye.